Hello? What's that? Oh my God. All right. Guess what? There's something really new and really cool coming to the virtual skate shop. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to the Moxie Roller Skates YouTube channel. My name is Shove and I'm here to talk about the virtual skate shop. You're probably wondering, Shove, what is the virtual skate shop? The virtual skate shop is pretty much anything you would get in a physical skate shop, but virtually. We do it through Zoom. It's $20 for 20 minutes. And there's all kinds of stuff we do. You may have heard about it, and it used to be just consultations. We would help you find your size. We would answer general questions. But now, so much more is coming. We're now going to offer skate maintenance classes. Why is a class better than just watching a YouTube video that, yeah, will give you information and show you how to do something? Well, it's better because now you can have your skates out, you can have your tools out along with the skater, and we will walk through each movement with you. For example, one of the biggest things we get a lot in our customer service inbox is, my skate is making a noise. What's that noise? And it's so hard to send a million emails back and forth, ask for a video maybe to try to figure it out. We tell you maybe it's your wheel, maybe it's your cushion, maybe it's your pivot cup. Right now you might be like, what even are those things? There's a lot of steps to find one piece that can be terrifying to take apart. And in 20 minutes, we can show you how to do all of that. All right, so now we know the importance and the value of taking a maintenance class, but what can you learn in 20 minutes? Well, let me tell you this, a lot. Classes you can take to learn are how to change your bearings, how to clean your bearings, how to change your cushions, how to change your pivot cup, figure out what that sound in your skate is. Are you a park skater? You're about to learn how to slide and you're like, all right, I got this box of things called sliders and now I have to take my whole skate apart to put it on. We're gonna teach you how to put those sliders on, how to adjust your toe stop, how to clean your skates, how to dye the leather. These are a lot of things you've probably seen on the Moxie YouTube channel already. And those episodes we could link below as well to check out. And if you still feel lost, please come back and book a maintenance class so we can walk you through it. There's so many things, from the tools you'll need, or sometimes we don't even have tools, like you don't have the tools. We'll teach you how to pop that bearing out and put it back in using, guess what? Your own truck of your skate. There's a lot of tips and tricks that us skaters have learned through generations or just trial and error that we want to hand that knowledge to you to make you the best skater you can be. So then you can take that information and pass it along to someone else. Now you know a little bit more about what the virtual skate shop has been working on. There's a lot of new things coming. We already have consultations, now we have skate maintenance, and some other things are in the works. What would you like to see the virtual skate shop offer? Is there anything missing as a skater that you really wish you had that one-on-one time with? Go ahead and put it in the comments, because maybe we're already working on it, or maybe we can make it possible for you. Thanks everyone for watching this episode on the Moxie Roller Skates YouTube channel. It's always a pleasure spending time with you. Bye.